Welcome to our guide on the art of decanting wine. Whether you're a seasoned wine enthusiast or just beginning your journey, mastering the technique of decanting can elevate your wine drinking experience to new heights. Decanting wine isn't just about aesthetics, it serves a practical purpose too. It allows the wine to aerate, which enhances its flavors and aromas. Aeration is crucial because it helps soften harsh tannins and allows volatile compounds to evaporate, resulting in a smoother, more balanced wine. But how long should you decant your wine? As a general rule of thumb, younger wines benefit from longer decanting times, about 1 to 2 hours, while older wines only need a brief decanting period of 30 minutes to an hour. Now let's talk about the proper technique for decanting. Begin by carefully pouring the wine into the decanter in a slow and steady stream, making sure to leave any sediment behind in the bottle. Sediment can cloud the wine and affect its taste, so it's essential to handle it with care. But what if you accidentally disturb the sediment? Allow the wine to settle in the decanter for a few minutes before serving. This will help minimize any cloudiness in the wine. Once the wine is in the decanter, it's time to let it breathe. Take a moment to swirl the wine in your glass and inhale its aromas. When you notice the wine's aromas becoming more pronounced and vibrant, it's ready to be savored. Decanting wine is a sensory experience that engages all your senses: sight, smell, and taste. But what if you don't have a decanter? Is there an alternative? While decanters are ideal for aerating wine, you can achieve similar results by simply pouring the wine into a clean pitcher or carafe. Remember, the goal is to expose the wine to oxygen, allowing it to open up and reveal its full potential. When it comes to choosing a decanter, the options are endless. From classic designs to modern styles, there's something for every taste and budget. But regardless of the decanter you choose, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and the wine it brings to life. So, whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, take the time to decant your wine and savor every sip. Cheers to the art of decanting wine!